Good morning, class. So this is the exercise 3.3. We start for the 8th standard, understanding of coordinators. So before start this exercise, we just recall the properties of parallelogram. This is the parallelogram, and for properties of parallelogram, this is the type of coordinator. So properties of parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Like AB parallel to CD, BC parallel to AD. Okay. Then second, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Then this side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. Then opposite angles are equal. Opposite angle means this D is equal to B and A equal to C. Then fourth, opposite angles are equal. And then sum of adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means like angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree adjacent angle. Angle A or angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, like that. Okay. Now then after fifth is diagonals. The diagonals, go to diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Means if we say so, we put here O. The two diagonals here you look at here. BDAC. BDAC. So BO is equal to OD and OA is equal to OC, like that. Okay. So this is the properties of the parallelogram. This is please by heart this one. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Sum of adjacent angles are supplementary. Diagonals bisect each other. This is the properties. Then we move to the question. Okay. Now, see the question number given parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property. So AD, talking about the AD. AD is first question. Solution first. First one. AD opposite sides. AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Then second, angle DCB is equal to angle BAD. Angle BAD. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Then third, OC. OC is equal to OA. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Then fourth, angle DAB. This angle and this angle D. So this angle sum is equal to 180 degree by the adjacent angle of parallelogram. So major angle BAB plus major angle CDA is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles, sum of adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram. Okay. Remember the only focus on the properties. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are sides are equal. Parallelogram properties, opposite angles are equal. Four properties, sum of adjacent angles, any adjacent angles, okay, is equal to 180 degree supplementary angles, and some diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Let's copy this one. Okay. Okay. Consider following the parallelograms, find the values of the unknowns x, y, z. So here we find the value of x, y, and z. Question number second, first one. So we use the properties of parallelogram, and by the properties we can find the values of all the angles and interior angles x, y, z, etc. So first of all, x. We already know in the parallelogram sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles are supplementary. X equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. X equal to 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. X equal to 80 degree. X equal to 80 degree. Then X is 80 degree. Now Z is the opposite angle of X. So Z equal to X is equal to 80 degree. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. I am writing some sort. Okay. Then third is y, and y is equal to 100 degree. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, so x equal to 80 degree, z is equal to 80 degree, y equal to 100 degree. We got a three angles, x, y, z. Okay, so the question number second. Here we got a angle 1. Okay. So find the x, y, z. So first of all, write angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. Sorry, excuse me. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle 1 is equal to 50 degree opposite angles of a parallelogram. Then x and y and z. First of all, find the z, because angle 1 plus angle z is equal to sum of angle is 180 degree by linear pair angle. By linear pair angle, angle 1 plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 is 50 degree, angle z is 180 degree, angle z is equal to 180 degree minus 50. So angle z is equal to, not angle z, also only z only. So then angle z. Okay, z is equal to 180 minus 50, 6, 7, 8, 30, 130 degree. Z is equal to 130 degree. Now find the value of x and y. X and y.